What's going on, folks? I wanted to make this video to show you what may be going on inside of your house, just in case you was to think you're smelling like a natural gas smell. I came down to the crawl space or basement inside of his house right here. It was inspecting the pipes. And if you look at this gas line right here, you see how it's all corroded and everything. And actually, if you listen, you can actually hear the gas that's coming out of this pipe. I'm gonna let you listen. You hear that hissing sound? If you were to hear that sound, what that's telling you is that you have a natural gas leak inside your home. And this pipe right here, you can see how it looks all corroded from like here going down. What had happened was, you see right above it is a water line. So at some point there must have been a water leak that was coming from that water line right there, and it leaked onto this gas line pipe. And this gas line pipe pretty much is going to the furnace over here. See it coming down, going over here to the furnace. So what had happened was the water had leaked down from that water line and got onto this gas line right here. And that's what you're seeing right there, is all that corrosion on that pipe like that. So if you see a pipe inside of your house, in your crawl space or wherever that looks like this, that's a gas line, you want to go ahead and change this pipe out. Because if it's not leaking now, eventually it will get a leak inside of it, and it can be dangerous, because what you have going on is natural gas that's coming out of this pipe pretty much. And if you don't, like I said, if you don't repair it, over time it'll get worse and worse. Also, another sign that you can possibly see that may tell you that you have a natural gas leak is if your bill is really high. You're not even using your furnace if you have a gas furnace, and for some reason you still have a high gas bill. What that's most likely telling you is that you have a gas leak that's somewhere in your system. Now, it could be on the side of the street coming from the city to your house, or it could definitely be coming from your pipes that's inside of your home, like this one is. As you can see, it comes up here, connects in. It looks pretty good up here because there wasn't water getting on it. As you follow it down, you'll see it starts getting corroded. It starts to get corroded from that water line right up there that basically was leaking right onto that gas line. Alright, I wanted to make this video to show you what you should be looking for to inspect your pipes. It's definitely if you're thinking you could have a possible gas leak inside of your home. If you see a pipe that looks like this, that tells you that it could be a problem, and the best thing to do is go ahead and get it changed out before it does become an issue. Alright, please check out our other helpful videos. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks.